Hey, SSIC Nick Baur here and Craig Smith. If you were able to catch us at the Thursday night case study night on the 21st last Thursday, then awesome. If you weren't, this is what this guy talked about: how to put a project binder together. This guy's all about his middle name is Systems. We call him Mr. Systems. It's systems to buy houses, to fund houses, to bid out the scopes of work, everything. And so every one of his rehabs has a project binder that he puts together, and he talked about how to put that together. How important is systems for your business, Craig?
It's extremely important. I mean, if you don't have systems for your business, you're really not running a business. You're just out there winging it, and you're just doing it off the seat of your pants, which you can't be doing that. You can't be doing multiple rehabs at any one given time and not have a system in place for managing them. You need to have something in place that allows you to go out, take a house down, and then break it apart into pieces, buy that construction, and then manage that construction successfully, on time, on budget, so that when you get done, you have a product that outshines everybody else that's on market and brings you top dollar, hopefully for a second, third day on market. So in a nutshell, that's everything that we've put together in here. There's 15, 20 years of construction knowledge that has gone into that. You weren't there, but we talked about, like, on our commercial construction jobs, we used to use a system just like this to run projects that are millions upon millions of dollars. So really throwing it in on a house that you're going to rehab is a no-brainer. I'm not going to say it's easy. There's a lot that went into it, but by utilizing something that's already there and not recreating the wheel, you will be light years ahead of any competitors that you're coming up against.
And if you were not able to join us for that case study night, you're in luck, because we have a 3-day event coming up, and you're going to be talking about some of the same things, but also more about systems for every other portion of your business. Sure. How to find deals, how to get them funded, how to evaluate deals, how to just figure out what the heck you're going to do with this property, the highest and best use for it when you're there. All that stuff is kind of systematized out, and we're going to be showing you how we do it at our 3-day Find and Fund seminar coming up. It's 3dayfindandfund.com, not 3dayfindandfart.com. That's a different website that we run, but 3dayfindandfund.com. And Craig will be there talking about construction management. You always bring down the house and do a great job. So make sure you come on out to that, guys. 3dayfindandfund.com. That's 3dayfindandfund.com. Craig, thanks for speaking
always
last Thursday at the Southside Investment Club. And thanks for hanging out here and getting the word out to get people to the 3-day Find and Fund seminar coming up March, I think it's 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, or
yes, that Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Maybe it's the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd,
possibly.
Whatever it is, the first weekend in March. 3dayfindandfund.com is going to have all this stuff, and we're going to put it right up here, the exact dates as well. So
perfect.
Come on out, Craig. We'll see you there, and hopefully we'll see you.
See you guys.